2020. And today I have three pledges to Ms. Castellanos' classroom, and their names are
Kimberly, Alejandra, Giselle.
If you could please stand, place your hand over your heart as we say the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And now we'll say our Texas Pledge.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one indivisible.
Will you please remain standing for a moment of silence? Thank you. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has a right to feel safe, loved, and respected. Oh, I'm sorry, guys, you may be seated. At home, on the bus, and during the school day. If anyone at home, on the bus, or at school makes you feel unsafe, unloved, or disrespected, tell someone. Tell a parent, your teacher, the counselor, the principals, or any other trusted adult. We do have one happy birthday today on November 30th, and that happy birthday is to Giselle Esquivel. So happy birthday to you. We do have a couple of announcements. We continue to be a school for No Place for Hate. This is the last day for College and Career Awareness. So please make sure if you have not had a chance to check out the link and also the Counselor Corner Google Classroom, or a link was sent to your teachers with that as well. All right, our character education theme for the month of November, which today is the last day, is fairness. Taking turns sharing and listening to what others have to say is an example of fairness. All right, and so since it is Monday, we are going to do our Monday mindful activity. So right now, guys, I need you to get comfortable. Put your feet as close to the floor as possible. Put your hands on your knees. And close your eyes. And go ahead and do the exercise with me. So you're going to close your eyes and you're going to breathe in through your nose. Breathe in. And hold that for 1, 2, 3. And then breathe out through your mouth. So I want you to pretend that you have something in front of you and you're blowing that little feather. So let's try that again. Let's breathe in. And release that breath. Good. So now when you breathe in, I want you to think about something that you are grateful or thankful for. Maybe it's because you have your favorite mask on. Maybe because you have your favorite breakfast, or you like the jacket, or something that you're really, really grateful for. A puppy, a friend, someone that you like to share smiles with. So go ahead and take in your deep breath. Keep that positive thought. And release. Oh, you did a great job, guys. Good, good, good job. You can open up your eyes. And I hope that helps to clear your mind and get you started on an amazing day. So, with something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying, make it a great day or not. Wildcats, I'm so sorry, they weren't ready for me. We're going to try that one more time. Make it a great day or not.
Good job!